What is going on, family? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. My name is Ro. We are back with another ZBCN Zebec token video, guys. I'm super excited because I just want to cover Zebec. Haven't done it in a while because your boy has been off for a little bit. I haven't posted in the last couple of days. It was my birthday, so I've been a little bit busy. And then went on a road trip, guys. Hope you do understand. Listen, but we are back to consistent daily uploads. If you guys are new around here, I've been in crypto since 2017. Retired 2024 thanks to crypto, and now I'm here making YouTube videos on how you guys could basically do the same thing. If you're new, stay until the end. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's get into today's video. So right off the bat here, guys, I kind of want to start off with this, okay? While most of crypto argues about what blockchains are for, Zebec quietly puts payroll on chain. So ZBCN, Zebec HQ, a PayFi protocol that streams salaries by the second, so making people wait for payday. We all know how Zebec works, the use case of it, the utility of the Zebec token, and we're just here shedding light on it, right? It's wired into real financial rails, ISO 20022 compliant, a nausea seat alongside JP Morgan Circle, which is massive, and a MasterCard powered card spendable in 138 countries that are all inside one ecosystem inside of that Zebec super app. Pretty exciting stuff. Let's take a look at the overall crypto market right now. Price hasn't really changed too much. It's the same thing I've been saying, guys. We're going to move stagnant for a little bit. We're in August, right? We're in the first week of August. So for those of us that have been holding for July, what we saw was July actually closed in the green. It was up. July, was a bullish month for Bitcoin, for crypto. It closed in the positive after June's dump. Now, it's a good sign because I told you guys, listen, July is going to show signs of strength. But as we get into September, October, we might see the bottom come in for these crypto markets. Now, overall, even in the stock market and stuff, we're seeing some massive price increases, which is good because, stocks and crypto usually kind of move in parallel, which is always a good sign. And I think those war tensions between America, Iran, the sanctions and stuff like that, they're finally coming to a settlement. I have to look more into that. But guys, comment your thoughts down below, because until that kind of settles out, which I think it will genuinely settle and come to an agreement in November, which marks, around the midterm election time. And once that happens, we're going to see the bottom form, and then boom, things are going to reverse for good. Now, there's a lot of opportunities in crypto right now, right? A lot of altcoins are what I'm buying into, a lot of utility plays. But guys, even though we're bullish on Zebec, even though we're getting into a lot of these altcoin plays, a lot of these utility plays that I think are going to be massive runners in the next cycle, we're also buying a boatload of meme coins. And I need to interrupt this video early because, guys, we're having a banger of a call come out in the Discord today. Like literally at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we are dropping a call inside the Discord. That is going to be insane. That I think has the potential to do 20x returns. Not financial advice, but I want everyone watching to be able to get into this. So if you want to join the Discord, there's no better time to do it than now. We have called some absolute bangers. One of our best calls that we did in this last month, right? Within like a month to date, we have done a 65x on a play. We've done a 7x. We've called a bunch of 2x's all along the way, and people inside of the Discord are crushing it right now. If you want to be a part of the inner circle, click the link down below. Join. It's $49.99, guys. It's literally a discount right now. So click the link, join, and I'll see you guys inside. Zebec right now, I believe, super undervalued. $179 million market cap. I think this is really undervalued. It's one of those cryptos that, when you're going to be looking back at it a year or 2 years from now, you're going to be like, in hindsight, this was actually a really good play. In hindsight, I should have actually loaded up. But listen, hindsight's never 2020 in the moment. It's only when you're looking back at it, right? We can see in the last month is down almost 19%. Okay, it's taken a massive beating. It was hovering around that $300 million mark for a while, and now you can see it lost that last leg, and we are down to 179 million. Let's search up ZBCN, open up the actual chart here so you could get a little bit of a better view. And boom, we're getting dangerously close to those February lows, those lows that a lot of people thought was the end all be all, that we weren't going to make any new lows. Well, people were strongly incorrect, right? A lot of people were strongly mistaken, guys. And I told you guys, if you've been watching me for a while, that I do believe new lows are going to set in. And if new lows set in for Bitcoin around the time that I expect it will also happen for a lot of these altcoins as well. So just keep that narrative in mind. Let's take a look at some of the new news that's coming out for Zebec. Make sure you guys follow them on X, guys. Velo Protocol has selected Zebec as its exclusive card partner to launch a Velo branded card experience connecting Velo's PayFi infrastructure with real-world spending through Zebec cards. This integration will support Silver and Carbon cards, USDT and USDC funding, BNB chain, Ethereum, and Tron. USD, Euro, and GBP balances, Apple Pay and Google Pay topping up the card using Velo. Together, Zebec and Velo are building more ways for digital assets to move beyond the blockchain and into everyday crypto use. You love to see it. You love to see after everything, these partnerships, these listings, these super apps integrations. You love to see all of these things, guys, coming into fruition, and that is one thing that I am that's one thing that gives me confidence in Zebec and its future. So the Zebec Super app is being used by retail investors around the world in its first 3 weeks ever since launch. As we focus on scaling adoption, the app will remain free for all retail users with features rolling out throughout the year for users who stake ZBCN or pay fees. So let's kind of listen to what Simon has to say here. Just gonna mute my mic so you guys can hear it.
Super app and enterprise products, how do they generate value differently? How does that progress from a revenue perspective connect back to the ZBCN token?
I think it's an important distinction. At the end of the day, our products are based on fees. The enterprise payroll product is based on employer fees and transaction fees. And given that our primary goal right now is to build traction with corporate clients and really scale this product, in many of our early pilot programs, fees are initially waived if an employer, for example, is holding an initial threshold of ZBCN. Now, with time, as more clients and users are onboarded, we'll have more and more fees paid in ZBCN. But we always expect to keep the cost of a stablecoin payroll offering like Zebec to be a fraction of the cost of some of the traditional payroll systems out there that run on legacy banking infrastructure. That is core to our value proposition. The super app on the other side, of course, is offered as a free solution now, our early retail users at Zebec, but we will be adding in fees with time paid in ZBCN or require a stake balance of ZBCN to unlock features or mitigate some of the fees paid. So it's really important to remember that market share growth right now is our #1 priority. We're in the early stages, of course, of the stablecoin market and this digitization of finance. And Zebec really is one of the forerunners right now in the stablecoin payroll industry. So our strategy is centered around new customer wins, client acquisition at this stage, rather than purely maximizing revenue or token buybacks. That being said, we have a lot planned to further increase the buyback mechanism.
Exciting stuff, guys. So as you can see right now, their whole interest, their whole point, their whole scope right now is to try to get more market share. And then after that, they're going to be focusing more on the tokenomics, token buybacks, and things of that nature. So get in while you can, start staking right away, because I don't want you guys to start, having to pay fees later on for using the app or whatever. The Zebec ecosystem continues to grow. As of July, you have over 500 million Zebec has been repurchased through their buyback program. And 16.2 billion Zebec is currently staked across the entire network. Two projects that I've been screaming from the rooftop about are now partnering up. This is very bullish for both ZBCN and Velo. The fact that both the projects are priced where they are is insane. Both of them are going to change lives. I really do hope so. Now, on that note, guys, just remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain and educate you guys. And if that has worked, then hey, amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.